Hello my friend, today I want to solve this math problem. Log 5 base 15 square positive log 3 base 15 times log 75 base 15 log 5 base 15 square positive log 3 base 15 75 equal to 3 times 25 times log 3 times 25 base 15 and log 5 base 15 square plus log 3 base 15 times this is similar to this rule log a times b base m equal to log a base m plus log b base m. Right, log 3 base 15 plus log 25 base 15 log 5 base 15 square plus log 3 base 15 times 25 equal to 5 square log 3 base 15 plus log 5 square base 15 log 5 base 15 square plus log 3 base 15 times log 3 base 15. This is similar to this rule log a power n base m equal to n log a base m plus 2 log 5 base 15 log 5 base 15 square. Now we multiply this by each other by each log log 3 base 15 times log 3 base 15 log 3 base 15 square positive time positive positive log 3 base 15 times 2 log 5 base 15 equal to 2 log 5 base 15 times log 3 base 15 Now let's organize this. Log 5 base 15 square. Write this plus 2 log 5 base 15 times log 3 base 15 plus log 3 base 15 square. This is similar to this formula: a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b square. A, it is similar to a square. It is similar to 2ab. It is similar b square. Log 5 base 15 plus log 3 base 15 square. This is similar to this rule: log a base b plus log c base b equal to log a times b a times c base b. Log 5 times 3 base 15 square. Log 5 times 3 15 base 15 square to log 15 base 15 1. 1 square is 1. Thank you for watching.